Hi, I'm Megan Thompson from ACS Valves. We're here today to show you how to disassemble and reassemble an ACS Valves quick clean feeder.
The first step when disassembling the ACS quick clean feeder is to ensure that the inlet supply of material is stopped and that the valve is locked out. The first thing that you do with the quick clean feeder is disassemble the handles from the valve so you can start taking off the end plate. The next step to disassemble the end plate is to use the two longer T-handles and insert them into the jacking bolt holes. And you insert the T-handles all the way through the end plate to push against the edge of the housing to break the seal between the end plate and the housing. You'll know when you have broken the seal when the end plate is out over ½ an inch, and you can actually take the handles and slide out the rotor to the desired location. Once the interior of the valve is clean, it is now ready to assemble the end cap back into the housing. The first step is to back off the jacking bolt so it's flush with the inside of the end plate, so it doesn't interfere with the actual housing when it's going into position. Once the T-handle is backed off and flush enough with the end plate that you can push it in, you have to now just push the housing into position. Keep it in mind to keep your fingers clear of the actual end plate and the housing using the T-handles, and put it into a position where it's about 3/8 away from the housing. And you can now use the T-handles to start pulling the end plate back into the housing. First, by tightening the handles, this will help ensure that the end plate is seated into the housing properly. It's best to start with the two middle handles and then work your way around to the other 4 handles. Make sure that they're tight. And now the quick clean valve is ready to go back into service.